Fast. Dangerous.
There's 50! 53! Jesus!
Scary. And stupid.
And awesome. Extremely awesome.
Awesome, I think, would be the #1 describing word. Guys, my name's Edwin.
Hey, I'm Ethan.
We created the Barbie car because it was just something that had to be done. Alright, we just unloaded the truck with the newest Craigslist find. Our brake lines weren't holding any pressure, and I think Ethan figured out why.
Right there it says do not use for ice maker. So that tells you it wasn't intended for brakes. The plan at the moment is to borrow the engine from my dirt bike and put the engine in the front of the cart instead of the rear. That way, better skids.
Before doing this, did you ever think you'd do fabrication for engine mounts in a Barbie car?
No, I don't think that was ever on my list of things to do. Time to test fit the body onto the frame.
You can't get body kits for Power Wheels Mustangs, unfortunately. But what you can get is $5 buckets from Walmart. Ooh, money.
It's amazing how much people love it. I mean, I think it's, it's something a lot of people thought about doing when they were kids or thought about doing as an adult, but, nobody really did it.